creamy mushroom and asparagus chicken pen, an easy weeknight pasta. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making an easy weeknight meal. We're making a creamy chicken, asparagus, mushroom, pen pasta dish. It is so easy, hardly any ingredients, and it's only 2 pans. You know, we've got to put the pasta in one and we're going to cook it all in a main pan. So simple, let's crack on and do it. In here I've got chicken breast and chicken thigh diced. I've sliced my mushrooms and I've cut my asparagus into 1-inch pieces. Let's get on. Right, we're going to bring this cooker in here. However, we're putting the pasta on behind. So we've got this boiling water going on. It was boiling behind and it's going to go back on there. In there with some salt. In there with our pen pasta. Give it a little twirly whirly and chuck it on behind. And then let's crack on with the front. Come on. Cook al dente. Make sure it's al dente. Just cooked. We actually want to finish it off in the sauce. So let's shove that on behind. Bring in a pan. So it's so quick this, you know, in there a little bit of olive oil, get a flame on. I'm going to chuck the chicken in, we're going to sear the chicken. We're going to sear it, we're not going to cook it all the way through, we're going to give it about 5 minutes or so. And we're taking it out, putting it in a pan. So in there, our chicken. We're going to have the obligatory water come out of here. So we'll just cook it off a little bit and take it out. So like I said, we've got one chicken breast and I've got a chicken thigh. Whilst it's in there, a little bit of black pepper and salt. We'll season the chicken as we go. It's all done in one pan. Nice little turn over, come on. There you go, we've had about 5 or 6 minutes on there. Don't need much more. Got a nice splash of colour. Let's get that out. In there, come on. So easy this one, in there with some butter. A good tablespoon of butter in there. In there, mushrooms. Let's get the mushrooms in, cook out some moisture and get a bit of colour on there. Fabulous. Keep checking in on your pasta, make sure your pasta's cooking okay. In there with some onions. Now obviously change out what you want on the ingredients. If you don't like onion, don't put it in, but you know, it wants to carry some sort of a flavour in here. A little bit translucent on here. Won't take long. In there, garlic. Go stir around, bring it in. In there, your asparagus, or I like to call it asparagus, and that will upset some people. Get your asparagus cooking. Only a couple of minutes on this actually. Okay, we want to bring down the heat. Bring it right down, and we want to be going in there with our cream. Superb. Now I'm going to completely hijack my own recipe here. I've decided to put a teaspoon of Dijon mustard in there. Just bring that through that cream. Back in there with that chicken or juices. In there, Parmesan. Stir that through. Now it will slightly thicken now. And then what we'll do is we'll chuck our pasta in here. Start to come together there, look. That's looking fabulous. In there, our pasta. Nice, isn't it? Just get it in there, stir it all through, and we're ready to go. Now remember I said, keep some pasta water, because this will soak this up. Okay, so you might want a little bit more water in here. That's getting a lovely sauce on there, look. There you go. It don't get much easier than that, does it really? And that is a fabulous weeknight meal. Let's get it served up, come on. A little bit of Parmesan and a little bit of parsley. There you go. That is a fantastic weeknight meal made. That's creamy mushroom and asparagus chicken. Now we have a nice glass of vino, anything like that. There's our chicken. Oh. In there on our pasta, asparagus, mushrooms. Oh, come on. Oh. That is amazing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Simplicity, but it is delicious. That is outstanding. Such a simple dish there, you know. The mushrooms are shining through, you can actually taste them, it's creamy. Well, the underlying Parmesan in there, you know, you could add any seasoning you wanted actually. You could add different herbs in here if you wanted. This is a nice, bog standard, easy weeknight pasta dish. There you go, an easy weeknight meal. Creamy chicken, mushrooms, asparagus, a little bit of Parmesan. Come on, easy, easy. You like what we're doing, share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to put a meal like this on the table. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video. Excellent.